Hi everyone, in this video we will compare SQL, NoSQL, MySQL, MongoDB and code. SQL, NoSQL, MySQL, MongoDB and code differ in structure, scalability and use cases. SQL and MySQL focus on structured relational databases with fixed schemas, ideal for organized data and complex queries. NoSQL and MongoDB provide flexible, schema-less designs that handle unstructured or rapidly changing data, offering better scalability for modern applications. While SQL and MySQL are closely related, MongoDB is a leading NoSQL database using document storage. Code is different. It's an educational platform that teaches coding and computer science skills rather than being a database technology. Together, they represent different parts of the data and tech worlds, from managing data efficiently to learning how to program. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the standard language used to interact with relational database. It enables users to efficiently retrieve, insert, update, and delete data, making database management straightforward. Its powerful capabilities for filtering, sorting, grouping, and joining data help in complex data analysis and reporting. The use of constraints ensures data accuracy and enforces relationships between tables. SQL's wide adoption means it's supported by many database systems, making skill transferable across platforms. The language also allows for flexible database designs and modifications through commands that alter the structure. Various data types helps accurately define and store different kinds of information, from numbers to text dates. SQL allows for complex queries and precise data relationships, making it powerful for structured data modeling. Transactions provide a way to maintain consistency and handle errors gracefully. However, SQL can be complex to master fully, especially when working with large or highly normalized databases. Some database systems implement proprietary extensions which may reduce portability. However, it can become rigid and difficult to scale horizontally in rapidly growing systems. Additionally, performance can degrade without proper indexing or query optimizations. Despite these challenges, SQL remains a foundation tool for developers, analysts, and anyone working with data. RDBMS is the basic for SQL and for all modern database systems such as MS SQL Server, IBM DB2, Oracle, MySQL, and Microsoft Access. The data RDBMS is stored in database objects called tables. A table is a collection of related data entries, and it consists of columns and rows. On the other hand, NoSQL databases, aka not only SQL, store data differently than relation tables. NoSQL databases come in a variety of types based on their data model. The main types are document, key value, wide column, and graph. They provide flexible schemas and scale easily with large amounts of big data and high user loads. Unlike traditional relational databases, NoSQL databases do not rely on fixed schemas or tables with rows and columns. NoSQL excels at handling large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data with high performance and scalability. Yet it may sacrifice consistency and relational integrity, which can complicate data reliability. Instead, they use flexible data models such as key value pairs, document stores, wide column stores, and graph databases. This flexibility makes NoSQL ideal for handling big data, real-time web application, and distributed systems. NoSQL databases can scale horizontally across many servers, providing high availability and fault tolerance. They often sacrifice some consistency guarantees to achieve better performance and scalability, allowing eventual consistency models. NoSQL systems support fast read and write operations, making them suitable for caching, session management, and content management systems. However, they may lack powerful querying and transactional capabilities of SQL databases. Choosing NoSQL depends on the specific use case, especially when dealing with complex relationships or strict data integrity needs. Overall, NoSQL complements traditional databases by offering scalable and flexible solutions for modern data challenges. MySQL is the official website for MySQL, one of the most popular open-source relational database management systems. It serves as a comprehensive resource for downloading MySQL software, accessing documentation, and exploring various editions, including the community and enterprise versions. The site offers detailed guides, tutorials, and reference materials to help users of all levels, from beginners to advanced developers, understand and implement MySQL effectively. Users can find information on features like replication, partitioning, and security enhancements. MySQL also provides updates on the latest releases, patches, and performance improvements. The website supports a vibrant community through forums and blogs, enabling users to seek help and share knowledge. It includes tools for managing MySQL databases and link to third-party resources and integrations. Many of the world's largest and faster-growing companies like Facebook and Verizon use MySQL to efficiently power their high-traffic websites and critical business systems. This helps them save time and reduce costs while ensuring reliable performance. MySQL is widely supported and easy to integrate with many development stacks, offering reliability and simplicity for small to medium applications. Still, it can struggle with performance in high concurrency or analytical workloads without optimization. For businesses, the site highlights enterprise support options and consulting services. The layout is user-friendly, making navigation straightforward. Overall, MySQL acts as a central hub for anyone interested in using, learning, or supporting MySQL, blending open-source accessibility with professional-grade features. On the other hand, MongoDB is a leading NoSQL database designed for storing and managing large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data. Unlike traditional relational databases, MongoDB uses a document-oriented model where data is stored in flexible, JSON-like documents, allowing for easy storage for complex and varied data types. This flexibility enables developers to iterate quickly without needing a fixed schema, making it ideal for modern applications that require scalability and agility. MongoDB supports horizontal scaling through sharding, which distributes data across multiple servers for high availability and performance. It also offers powerful query capabilities, indexing, and aggregation frameworks for efficient data retrieval and analysis. With built-in replication and strong consistency options, MongoDB balances performance with reliability. It integrates well with popular programming languages and cloud platforms, simplifying development and deployment. However, MongoDB can require careful schema design to avoid data duplication and maintain efficiency. MongoDB handles dynamic schemas and hierarchical data effortlessly, supporting rapid development and flexibility. On the downside, it can lead to inconsistent data if schema discipline isn't enforced at the application level. While it excels at handling large-scale, dynamic datasets, it may not be the best choice for applications requiring complex multi-table transactions. Overall, MongoDB is a versatile, scalable database solution widely adopted for web, mobile, and big data projects. Code is a non-profit organization dedicated to expanding access to computer science education worldwide. It offers a user-friendly online platform with free coding courses designed for students of all ages, from beginners to more advanced learners. The curriculum emphasizes block-based coding to introduce fundamental programming concepts in an engaging and visual way, making it especially accessible to younger students. Meanwhile, Code also provides resources for teachers, including lesson plans and classroom tools, to help integrate computer science into school programs. The platform supports a variety of coding languages and topics, including HTML, JavaScript, and Python as the student progress. It's a popular Hour of Code initiative encourages millions to try programming in a 1-hour tutorial, promoting computer science awareness globally. Code collaborates with school, educators, and industry partners to advocate for equitable education access and bridge the digital skills gap. The website is easy to navigate and offers interactive exercises, projects, and assessments to track progress. Code's close alignment with national education standards facilitates smoother adoption by schools and ensures the material fits within formal learning requirements. However, its structured and guided lessons may restrict opportunities for learners to explore coding concepts more freely and creatively. While ideal for beginners, some advanced users may find the platform less challenging. Overall, Code.org plays a vital role in democratizing computer science education and inspiring the next generation of tech innovators. Choose the best option among SQL, NoSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, and Code depends on what you need. SQL is great for structured data and complex queries, making it ideal for applications requiring strong consistency like banking. NoSQL is better for flexible and unstructured data that changes often and needs to scale across many servers, which suits social media or big data projects. MySQL is a popular SQL database that is reliable and easy to use, perfect for small, medium-sized applications. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that stores data in flexible documents, making it good for projects that need fast development and scalability. Code is different because it is a website designed to attack coding rather than a database. So if you want to manage data, your choice depends on the type of the data and scale you need. But if you want to learn programming, Code is the best place to start. Each has its strengths depending on structure, scalability, and use case. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.